Let us see how to inspect the auto cutoff switch and the heating element for faults. For this, we need to open the kettle and remember to empty the water out before you open it. Step 1. Unplug the cord from the outlet on the switchboard. Step 2. Remove the kettle from the base unit. Step 3. Locate the screws fastening the base of the kettle. Step 4. Using a screwdriver, open the screws and carefully remove the base cover. Step 5. Locate the auto cutoff switch. Check it visually for any damages. In case the cutoff switch is damaged, replace the switch. In this case, the auto cutoff switch has no faults. So let us check the heating element. Step 6. Now locate the heating element in the kettle and its connections in the kettle. Step 7. Using a multimeter, check for continuity. Set the multimeter dial to resistance. Place the red positive probe of the multimeter on the phase terminal of the heating element. Place the black negative probe of the multimeter on the neutral terminal of the heating element. Check the reading on the multimeter. In this case, the multimeter shows 0 ohms. This means that the heating element is faulty. Step 8. Now let us check the heating element using a test lamp connected in series. Place the phase terminal of the test lamp on the phase terminal of the heating element and the cut wire connected in series on the neutral terminal of the heating element. The test lamp does not glow, so this confirms that the heating element is faulty.
Here, the heating element is the culprit. But in this type of kettle, we cannot replace the heating element. We will have to replace the kettle.
Friends, let us see how to assemble the kettle back. You don't want to give it back to the customer like this, right? And you need to know how to fix it back. Step 9. Assemble the kettle. And remember, if you have replaced or repaired the kettle, check for its functioning before delivery. Now take a look at this chart to sum up the procedure of inspection of a kettle.